Do you think online shopping will replace in-store shopping in the future? Why?
I think in many ways it already has, but I don't think it will ever totally replace it. Right now, online shopping is used by many people because you can be lazy. You can lie in bed and buy clothes, and you only have to wait 2 or 3 days before it arrives. So it's convenient, and it's cheaper usually than because you can get some good deals. So it's cheaper than going to stores. It can be addicting too, obviously, but I don't think it will ever totally replace in-store shopping because lots of people like to chill with their friends, go to the mall, browse through stores and try things on to see if they really look good in these clothing articles.
Why is fashion very important to some people?
I think fashion is important to some people, just like, for example, soccer is important to some people, exercise is important to some people. Everybody has a hobby, something that they're into, and fashion is just another hobby, something that you can really get into and you can really enjoy. It's kind of like a lifestyle. You just live for trying on new clothes and getting the trendiest clothes that you can find. I think for some people, fashion is a way to kind of show off the body that they've really developed at the gym. So they like to wear clothes that really make themselves look better. But for the most part, people that are into fashion are just, they're just fashion lovers.
Are older people as fashionable as young people? Why?
I think there's no age limit for fashion. I think no matter how old you are, you can always dress up, dress to kill, and you can find a very fashionable older men and women that keep up with the latest trends, and even read some articles online and magazines about fashion, and they can really look great at any age. But I think for younger people, fashion is probably a little bit more important because in your 20s and 30s, this is a period of time where you do look good. You're young. For a guy, you might go to the gym and have some muscles, and girls will have a very toned body. And you can really show this off and accentuate your features by wearing clothes that are not just stylish, but also really suit your body type as well. So I would say probably fashion is more important for younger people, but it's not just inclusive to younger people. Older people can enjoy it too.
Are women more fashionable than men? Why?
I think in general, women are more into fashion than men and more fashionable than men. Because just to give you an example, if you go to a mall, you'll see that probably 70% of the clothing stores are for women, maybe only 30% for men. So they know that women are kind of fashion lovers. And you'll see more women at the mall picking out clothes and browsing through different things and trying different clothes on, checking the price tags. But, men can be really into fashion too. And I know a few friends of mine who are fashion icons. They wear suits and they wear all kinds of these clothes that really are the newest, trendiest styles for men. And they even dress up with accessories, sunglasses, maybe even earrings, and some kind of really cool hat. So men and women both can enjoy fashion. I think women are a little bit more fashionable than men.